Hello, I have lilac straight lashes try on and review for you guys today. I bought the starter kit for USD 25. It consists of a clear lash glue, 2 lengths of cemented lashes in 10mm and 12mm, and a lash applicator. These lashes incredibly high quality. The bands are so thin compared with the whips from the Kiss Falscara. To begin with, get a hand-free mirror because you will need both of your hands to maneuver in the application process. It's for your own safety. Make sure the environment is well lit. Mirror should be large enough and positioned as near to you as possible so that you could see exactly what you are doing. I curl up my lashes prior to the application because I have a straight lashes which pointing downwards. You may skip this step if your lashes are naturally curled up. I apply a thin coat of glue on my lashes like so. Then I use a metal eyelash comb to separate the lashes before it becomes tacky. These lashes are easily pulled out from the cartridge. Apply a thin layer of glue onto the base of the lashes before apply it onto your lashes. This step is crucial because the base easily gets detached. One by one, gently paste the lashes underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterlines. Apply lashes starting from the outer corner working inwards. I prefer placing the lashes slightly overlapping for a seamless look. If needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the lashes against your natural ones. This will help the lashes adhere for a more secure hold. You don't have to buy the expensive blow from Lashify. Here I use the blow which included in my camera cleaning kit. You can get this from Daiso too. Here I use 4 pieces of 12mm lashes at the outer corner, followed by 2 pieces of 10mm onto inner corner. There's no sealer included in the lilac straight starter kit. The glue feels sticky right after application. However, the stickiness will go away after a day. On second day, I was wearing a heavy eye makeup. As usual, I used the makeup removal wipes gently remove my entire face makeup. Then I use the foam cleanser which designs for eyelash extension to clean my lashes. Always remember to use only black cotton buds because the white fiber are easily detected sticking onto the lashes. Then I went for a hot shower and gently cleaned my face again with a facial sponge. I don't rinse the water directly onto my face when I'm using these lashes. As you can see, I still can't get rid of the dirt completely, but it's okay because the glue still holding well. On the third day, my lashes still looking good. I did the same things to remove my makeup. I'm pretty impressed with the power of the glue. I strongly suggest you to squeeze the lashes against your natural lashes after shower because the glue gets weak when contact with heat and moist. On the fourth day, I wore heavier eye makeup. I also added more lashes on top of the lashes. This time round, the lashes fell off from the inner corner. Bear in mind that I live in the country where the temperature is in between 25 to 34 degrees Celsius with an average humidity of 84%. Overall, I'm very happy with LILAC stick products. Even without the sealer, the glue held up 4 days of wear test. The lashes are high quality and much more comfortable compared with the Kiss Falscara. Without wearing eye makeup, the lashes could definitely last longer. For your reference, I also tried another design from this brand. I have both 12 and 14 mm. In this picture, I was wearing in 12. The 14 mm lashes are way too long for me. Alright guys, these are my thoughts for the LILAC street lashes. I'm having so much of fun reviewing and trying this product. Hope you find helpful and I'll see you around in my upcoming